Hello everybody. Welcome to today's lecture. Today we are going to have a problem, and that is given an array of integers and we are required to find out the number which occurs odd number of times. That means every number in this array occurs even number of times except the one which occurs odd number of times. Let us understand this problem with an example. Let the given array of integers be the given on your screen: 9993347489128 7 12 So first of all, let us count the number of times the 9 appears. So the frequency of 9 is 4, the first 3 in the beginning and 1 in between. The frequency of 3 is 2. The frequency of 4 is 3. You can see in the given array. The frequency of then 7 is 2. The frequency of 8 is also 2, and again the frequency of 12 is also 2. So our answer would be, since see here 9 appears 4 times, 3 appears 2 times, every element in this array occurs even number of times except 4, which occurs 3 times. So our answer would be 4. Okay. So I would appreciate you to first solve this problem and then continue in this video and think for any possible solutions, and then we would continue with the solutions, possible solutions. Here we have, let me tell you, we have three possible solutions for this problem, and we are going to discuss them all. So the first of all, the naive solution for this problem would be to count the number of ways each number appears in this array, to count the number of ways in which each number appears in this array. For example, 9 appears 4 times, and 4 appears 3 times, 8 appears 2 times, etc. Okay, so how can you do that? We can use hash maps, and we can mark each number, and we can just increase their counters one by one and record the number of times each number appears in this array. Okay, so any complexity, any idea of complexity? What would be the complexity? See, we are going to trace each number one by one, and that's why we are going to have order of n complexity in time, and order of n in space also. Okay, not order of n, but somewhat less than that only, since each number appears even number of times. So we can say that the order of unique numbers which appears in this array, different numbers which appears in this array, we are going to require that much of space complexity. So this is order of n. Can we reduce this? We have another solution also. Some say that we can use sorting here. We can sort the numbers in an increasing or decreasing order, such that we are actually, what we are doing here is we are sorting because we are grouping each element with with its with its copies. Okay, so we are grouping each element together, each and every element together, same elements together, and then we can count the number of times each number appeared, and if any number we encounter that appeared odd number of times, then we can return that element. Okay, so this is again, since see, we for checking we would require order of n complexity, but for sorting, everywhere we sort is we require order of n log n. Uh, in average case, we can say that the complexity of sorting is n log n. So here is n log n. We are means giving a worst condition n log n. Previously it was order of n, but we too required the order of n for space complexity. Here we would not require any space complexity, but we would require the order of n log n for sorting. There is one more method for this problem, and actually this is the basic problem we use to explain the bitwise operator XOR. So let us go for it, the XOR operator. what we can do is we can use property of XOR. That here I have listed certain properties of XOR which would be used here. For example, the XOR of A XOR B will be equal to B XOR A, and second is A XOR A is 0. And this one is important property because every time we make an XOR of an element with itself, it nullifies its effect and we get 0. Okay, so actually XOR operator tells that if we have same bits, for example 1 XOR 1 would be 0, 0 XOR 0 would also be 0, and if we have 0 XOR 1 or 1 XOR 0, and then we would get 1. So this is the property of XOR method. So XOR of every element with 0 gives the same element A. Okay, so we can use this property here to nullify the effect of the numbers appearing even number of times. So that would cancel out each other, and the remaining word one we would get is the number occurring odd number of times, because that will not have any pair or any even subpart to cancel its effect, and that would be the solution for this problem. Okay, so find XOR of all the elements given in the array, each and every from I is equals to 0 to I less than n. We find XOR of all the elements. The thing which you get in the XOR, remaining in the XOR, is your answer. Okay, so we are going to see this with the program also. Let us take the program of this XOR method, and then we can continue with the solution. Let's use Dave C++ for coding, and let me use using name space std and int main. Let the size of the array be n, and we are going to take it from the user, and we define an array of integers of size n and take the input from the user I plus plus scene array of I. Then we are going to have then we are going for the XOR. So let us define the XOR variable, or we can say uh, let x be the variable. Now for integer I is equals to 0 to I less than n, I plus plus, and x is equals to x XOR with array of I. Okay, so the remaining uh, what would our answer be is the number occurring odd number of times. So here we give that XOR and done. Okay, so let me save this file in F drive with okay, E drive. Let's save it in documents. Save. Okay, so here we are going to have the program running. So let us take the same example again we had earlier. Let's see what the answer comes. Here the size of the array is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. So size of the array is 15, and numbers are 9, 9, 9, 3, 3, 4, 7, 4, 8, 9, 12, 8, 7, 12, 4. Okay, so answer it is coming. Answer is 4. Okay, so here was our problem, and here we got the solution. The complexity we discussed complexity of this problem. See, for doing the XOR, we are going to trace each element only once, so our complexity would be order of n without any extra space. So this is the best solution for this problem. And for more updates, you can subscribe my channel. And if you like these videos, then you are free to do it. Thank you.